This was my first trade last week, and this week rather. Here. We trade down to a London intermediate term low, and we are on a macro. When price does this impulse swing, I was literally buying here, expecting a higher prices. Take out this morning session highs, but we don't have CISD. It didn't open above this side right here. The narrative is it's only gonna take this short-term high before it continues to rally lower, because we still have London lowest low and Monday's previous daily low right here. This is the draw liquidity, and I got offset right here. This was my first loss of the week. Here, I think it's just like this. I should have focused on the bodies and CISD and the narrative when it comes to macro. Yes, this was my loss. My second loss was when it inverses this bullish fair value right here. Once this price is below here in this candle, laterally up, I was selling. And I was expecting an immediate response to take out the London lowest low in the previous daily low here. Stops maybe around detail stops. Then create this. It offered institutional order flow entry trade right here. This is an IFL. And I was adding more here as it goes up on this inefficiency. And this place is lower. It creates a CISD right here. But I put my stops. I move my stops. And I was selling. I move my stuff here. This was my main mistake for this. I have a shallow stops. I should allow price to take up this short-term high, because this is this one is an order block, and when price rejected it, this becomes a proportion block right here. Should have allowed price to at least take out this high or makes a relatively equal highs. Because we have inefficiency, we still have inefficiency right here. CB. Here. Should have put my stops around the upper quadrant of this order block. Right here. Or maybe the high side of this close candle. But I still get a win when I sold on this low. Here, this order block. When price is rallying up, I was selling up here. And we are on a 1250 mark. So that's why I trusted it. I still got a winning trade, but should have maganda sana yung risk to reward ratio ko dito if hindi ako na-stop out right here. I'll put my stops on a premium, on an equilibrium. It was my mistake. I think that time when I executed on this lowest bullish fair value as inversion fair value gap by FVG. I think London low was only my target. I think this is only my target. Here. And when it does this, it's inverses bullish fair value dito. I was out of trade here. Dito I was last redistribution. Market makers are more. Still got a win. But I could have made a lot more if I did not make these mistakes right here.
Punta nga pala si Mabina sa Thailand, ano? Si Mabina. Nagpunta ka na, nag-tiktok ng Thailand.
And Wednesday, I think we're gonna have my trade on Wednesday. Yeah. Thursday. Right here. I got a break-even trade on this one. 9:30 opens. It leaves a equal highs in this data high. Drops lower. First percentage for value gaps inverses immediate rebalance. Right here. And price does this. And price took out this short term high. And inverses this bullish for value gap. I was selling here. And put my stops. Right here. But I collapse it when candle, I guess. Yes. If I remember. This is not a block for price action. Not a high probability trade setup. And here, oh, I traded my is this on Thursday. I traded on AS. Yes. This is 30 minutes per value. Let's see. 30 minutes here. And I was expecting to, let's take out this first presented for value, but and I was selling down here and down here. I was selling short-term low. I'm expecting higher prices because this previous first presented for value 930 highs, but the market structure was already bearish. In the higher time frame, the market structure was already bearish right here, and we break this low. It's a CASD on 30 minutes, and this was a suspect rally. This they got the premium, short-term premiums to continue lower, and I was forcing a trade right here. I didn't have a higher time frame premise on this trade. I got offset by lower time frame signatures and reactions. It was a mistake. I don't have a higher time frame directional bias in my back on my trade. That's why I took a loss. The 11:30 creates a market maker cleans, market maker sell model. 11:50 macro. Rush hour. Take out this previous day's low. Leaves an equal lows, right? That's a high probability target. Read. And it leaves an equalize para. I was buying here. This isn't my model now. I didn't talk. I was forcing a trade, man. And 5 minutes. Alis the short-term premium. Ito CB na to. See? Nagrally lang sa premium. Dapat may higher time frame directional bias ako. talaga. Higher time frame order flow. It's the foundation of every trade, man. This retracement to this low and high. This is our. This is a discount. 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 And premium. We're looking for entries on this premium pricing right here, which is right here. It's so obvious, man. You can unsee it. This framework is also ICD uses on the dealing range, pero pag continuation profile ginagamit nito ni ICT, mga retracement. Should focus more on market structure and directional values in the higher time frame, not to get caught up on this lower time frame volatility. Focus more on premium discounts within market structure. I didn't have a directional bias talaga dito sa higher time frame. That was my main mistake in my trades this week. I didn't have a higher time frame premise in my trade. That's why. I'm gonna learn from this mistake, man. I'll vow not to repeat this. It's so hard, man. It's so hard to transfer to becoming a trader from being an analyst. Because on hindsight, I see it's so fucking obvious in hindsight, man. But in live price action, I feel like it's getting, what do you call this? I am ambiguous of where the market's gonna go. Maybe I don't have a hard time frame narrative. Okay. Next week, I will make sure that I have a higher time frame directional bias on my trades, and also we're trading inside of macro or large hour macro or the always kill zone. Make sure time is there. If pag wala pang time, if time isn't there, but the price is offering a price is indicating it's gonna go higher or lower, we can take that trade, or we wait for a macro, or we can take that trade and use a stop on a logical level, not a very tight stop loss, because possible if it, when the macro time window comes, it will only trip or offset us and continues to drop or rally to our target. Learn from this mistake, man. Clean as fuck. Okay, that's it. That's my trade recap of my percent trade this week. And talk to you next time, Lord willing. Be safe.